Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to charge your Apple Watch on a device. Now but if you don't know how to charge the Apple Watch, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to charge the Apple Watch and you are trying it for a very long time and you don't know how to do it, then this is with a very easy step. Now the first thing is that you need to simply connect an adapter to a multi-plug or any kind of plug. So I'll simply show you. As you can see, this is the type of charger an Apple Watch uses, and I'm already connecting it to the multi-plug on my device, and you may also connect it to the plug of your choice. So after doing this, you need to simply bring on the Apple Watch thing. So as you can see, now to connect it, you need to simply add this section, the section where you will see a camera like or sensor like thing. So you need to simply keep it like this, and it is automatic. And as you can see, the Apple Watch is started to charge by itself. So as you can see, a pop-up will appear showing that the Apple Watch has started to charge. So you need to simply keep this charger on the sensor like icon, and it connects automatically. So as you can see that it has been started to charge. So that's it. That's how you can charge your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.